I know what you're thinking, what the heck is a stoplight switch? Well, it's also known as a brake switch, and what it does is it sends a signal to your ABS control module to turn your tail lights on or shut them off. And in this video, I'm going to show you to replace yours in your OBS F150. This is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, we need to locate the stoplight switch. So get underneath your dash and look at your brake pedal. Then move up your brake pedal and find some kind of electrical box with wires going into it. Just like this one. This is the switch we will be replacing today. So as you can see, there's this yellow self-locking pin at the end. You want to grab a pair of pliers and pull that pin out. This will require a bit of force, so watch your knuckles. Now there are two additional parts to the brake switch, also known as a stoplight switch, that you need to make sure you don't lose. The first will be this white washer, which is called a spacer. Push the brake switch all the way to the left and off the brake pedal. The second part you need to keep is this black bushing. These help assist the brake switch in sending a signal to the ABS control module immediately without any delay, so it's pretty important to keep these two parts. In the event you need to slam on your brakes, the last thing you want is a delay. Now let's remove the switch. In order to remove the switch from the wire harness, you need to pull this tab right here away from the switch. This unlocks it and will allow you to separate it. Just like that. Now grab your new switch and compare it to the old one, making sure they are identical. Make sure they have the same number of prongs and they are in the same orientation. If they are the same, you can install it on your truck. Now you want to make sure the black plastic prong here gets inserted into the tab right here on the harness. The metal prongs will just slide into the opening on the harness as well. Just like that. Now getting these three pieces back together isn't really an easy task if this is your first time doing it. The best way to do this is to grab that black plastic bushing and put it into the circular opening at the end of the brake booster rod. This needs to be put in from the left side. Then you want to grab that brake switch and turn it just like this so that the green wires face up when you connect it. Once you are lined up, it's time to get these connected. You will need to move the brake pedal back and forth, and you may need to move the booster rod slightly to get them to finally connect. Just like that. Once you get it to pop in, it's time to get that white O-ring installed. You can push on the brake switch to the right to give yourself more room if needed. Just slide the O-ring on the end and then push your yellow pin back into place. If you are struggling to get the pin to slide in, twist it counterclockwise a little bit. This helped me, as you can see right here. Now, your new stoplight switch is installed. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.